Stop. Don't stare at that winter dirty wheel. This is Detailer Boss way to prep your wheels for storage fast. Winter road grime is tough. We need to attack the hidden killer, brake dust and salt. Agitation is non-negotiable. Barrel first, then the tight spots. Pro tip, use a drill brush with a drill brush attachment to speed up the process. Use a detailing brush to get in the nooks and crannies of the wheel. To scrub the tires, use a dedicated tire brush. You can use a foam sprayer to apply chemicals directly on the wheels and tires. Let the chemicals dwell for a bit and then prepare for the final rinse. Rinse off the wheels and tires with a dedicated garden hose or pressure washer. That's a professional level clean. Wheels ready for storage, protected, and ready for next winter. Now for the boss question. What is the strongest product you trust on your winter wheels? Drop a secret tip in the comments.